Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the POS interface and adding a credit card processor to your landlord account. First, select Credit Card Processor in the landlord interface, and you will be given an option to connect with Stripe. Click the button, and this step in the production process, you will actually sign up for Stripe and you will provide all the necessary information. And then you will authorize Stripe to use our application to process credit card payments for your Paybox. In order to see your Stripe authorization in the landlord interface, you may need to log out and log back in. Again, select Credit Card Processor. And now your account is enabled to accept credit card payments with the Stripe payment processor for your Paybox device. Next, we'll move on to point of sale. And this feature will only work if you have Stripe enabled or one of our other payment processors, credit card payment processors. The point of sale is an interface that you would use for over-the-counter purchases and other services that you might offer that aren't covered by your Paybox device. Perhaps these are concession items, laundry soap, etc. Simply type in the amount you want to charge, the currency that you want to charge it in, pay your email, the card number, the expiration date, and then charge the payment. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you.